Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PGPM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And this question revolves around the fact that past couple of days have been very, very solid. I mean, I can imagine anybody saying from where the price was here to where it is right now that no, that hasn't been a good move. Everybody would agree that's been a good move, but that does lead to the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using a chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And it all revolves around a level that I've been talking about, and that is right here at 0.011. So before anything further, we need to make the first update, and this update comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken, you want to see them act as support, and especially in this case. So why is this level of support now so important at 0.011? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 0.011. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's literally putting the price right back inside of that range where it just was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend, bounces around and then heads back up. What would you have in this case after what I'd consider a pretty drastic pullback? So even after a drastic pullback, you'd still have a set of lows right here. Previous set of lows would be right there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress as time goes by. And in this case, I'm just defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as 0.011. Now, what about areas of resistance? The key point of resistance at this point in time, right up here at, I'm not sure what that level is, but 0.0145. You can see that's exactly where the price got rejected from this afternoon. If you go back through the history, you can see there's quite a bit of data points where the price has been struggling right around that area. So pump look at enemy number one, 0.0145 going into tomorrow. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice move today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.